take a look at the room around you. The walls, the floor, the air you breathe. Everything feels permanent, governed by unbreakable rules. We trust that atoms will hold their shape and that the laws of physics will remain consistent. We treat the universe like a stable masterpiece built to last. But as we move through 2026, physicists are coming to a terrifying realization. Our reality might not be a solid foundation at all. It might be a bubble of soap, floating over a needle, waiting for the moment it finally bursts. This is the nightmare of vacuum decay, the ultimate game over for existence. To understand how the universe could simply disappear, we have to look at the Higgs field. This invisible energy field permeates every inch of space and gives particles their mass. Without it, atoms couldn't form. For decades, we believed the Higgs field was in its lowest energy state, a true vacuum. But recent measurements from the high luminosity Large Hadron Collider suggest something far more unsettling. We are likely living in a false vacuum. Imagine a ball sitting in a small dip halfway up a mountain. It feels stable, but it isn't at the bottom. It is in a metastable state. All it takes is one tiny push, a quantum fluctuation, to nudge that ball over the ridge. Once it rolls toward the true bottom, there is no stopping it. In physics, this is a phase transition. If a single point in space tunnels into a lower energy state, it creates a bubble of true vacuum. And that bubble is the end of everything. It is a cosmic reset button being pressed at the quantum level. The moment this bubble forms, it expands in every direction at the speed of light. Because it moves at the maximum speed the universe allows, you literally cannot see it coming. There is no flash, no wall of fire, and no warning. If the bubble was triggered a light year away, it would hit us exactly 1 year later, and we would never know it was coming until the microsecond our atoms cease to exist. It is the most perfect and clean destruction imaginable. Total annihilation with zero chance of survival. Inside the bubble, the laws of physics are completely rewritten. The Higgs field is different, meaning the way matter interacts is fundamentally changed. As the edge of the bubble passes through you, the chemical bonds holding your DNA together dissolve. The protons in your body lose their mass and fly apart. It isn't just that life is destroyed. The very concept of matter is deleted and replaced with something we cannot even comprehend. It is an instant, silent erasure of reality itself. This isn't a slow death like the heat death of the universe. It is a sudden rewriting of existence. It could have started billions of light years away, eons ago, and the bubble could be inches from your face right now. Or it could never happen at all. But as our 2026 technology allows us to measure the God particle with more precision, the math keeps pointing to the same conclusion. The floor we are standing on is made of glass, and it is starting to crack. We are living on borrowed time in a universe that could decide to restart in the blink of an eye. There is no escaping it, no hiding from it, and no way to fight back. We are just witnesses to a reality that is far more fragile than we ever imagined.